How to check when last app was used on Android phone. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can check when last app was used on Android phone. The process is very simple, so watch this video till the end. The first thing you want to do is open the Play Store app on your device. You can do this in any Android device. Now tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, tap on the option of Manage Apps and Device. Now you will find Overview and Manage option. On the overview section, you have the storage over here. Go ahead and tap on this. Once you tap on it, you're going to find all of these applications installed on your device. Now it's going to tell you when the last app was used. As you can see, WhatsApp was used last 7 minutes ago. Viber was used last 6 hours ago. In the same way, CapCut was used 1 minute ago. So in the same way, you can find all the details about when the last app was used on your Android device in this way. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.